With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so the question is, which of the given statement is not correct? And here we have 4 options. So as in a option, we have given phenol is more acidic than acetic acid. So the structure of phenol is something like this, as here we have a benzene like this and here OH. Okay, and now in a second step we have given a acetic acid. Okay, so acetic acid is something like this as CH3 C double bond O and OH. Okay, and here we can see that we have given a acidity. Okay, so for acidity we have to remove a H plus ion. Okay, so from here and here we will get H plus ion. Okay, so after removal of H plus ion, so here we will get something like this. Okay, and here we will have O minus, and here we will have CH3 C double bond O and O minus. Okay, so now as you know that this negative charge is in resonance with this ring. Okay, so this bond, okay, so this negative charge will shift over here and this bond will shift over here. Okay, so the resonating structure which we get over here will look something like this, as here we will have negative charge, here double bond O, and here we will have positive charge, and here we will have H. Okay, and here we will have double bond. So now this negative charge will shift over here, and in response this bond will shift over here. Okay, so the next resonating structure which we obtain over here will look something like this, as this one. Okay, and here we will have double bond O, here positive charge, and here H. Now here we will get double bond, here negative charge, and here we will have double bond. Okay, so now this negative charge will shift over here, and in response this bond will shift over here. Okay, so we will get something like this, as this one. Okay, here we will have double bond, and here negative charge, and here double bond O, OH, and positive. Okay, so now this negative charge will shift over this carbon, and this bond will shift over here. Okay, so the next resonating structure which we obtained over here will look something like this, as here we will have ring like this, here we will have double bond, and double bond, and here we will have OH. Okay, so this is the resonating structure of phenol. Okay, and if we draw a resonating structure of this one, okay, so here we will get something like this, as this negative charge will shift over here and this bond will shift over here. Okay, so here we will get CH3, then CO negative, and double bond O. Okay, so this is the resonating structure of acetic acid. Okay, and this is the resonating structure of phenol. Okay, so now as here we can see that here the negative charge is on both the oxygen. Okay, like this, and here the negative charge is on oxygen and carbon, and here the negative charge is on total 6 carbon, but here the negative charge is on 2 oxygen. Okay, and as oxygen is a more electronegative, so that is why this structure is more stable than that of phenol. Okay, so this means that the acetic acid will be more acidic than that of phenol. Okay, so this means our first option is wrong. Now in the second option we have given ethanol is less acidic than phenol. Okay, so let's check. Okay, here in B option we have given ethanol, so CH3, then CH2, then OH is called ethanol. Okay, and phenol is something like this. Okay, and here we will have OH. Okay, so as we know that for acidity we have to remove H plus ion. Okay, so here we will get C2H5 O negative, and here we will get phenoxide ion, like here we will have this one, and here negative charge. So as here we can see that we have a plus I group. Okay, that is called C2H5. Okay, and plus I means here this is a electron donating group. So okay, so as this one is an electron donating group, so this will destabilize this negative charge. Okay, so this means the acidity of this, that is called ethanol, will decrease, whereas in phenol this negative charge is in resonance with this phenyl ring. Okay, so as the negative charge is in resonance, so this means that the acidity of this phenol will increase. Okay, so this means the acidity of phenol is higher than that of ethanol. Okay, this means our second option is correct. Now in a third option we have given ethanol has a lower boiling point than ethane. Okay, so if we draw a structure of ethanol, So as in a C, we have given C2H5OH, that is called ethanol, and here we have given ethane. So CH3 single bond CH3. Okay. So now as here in a ethanol we have oxygen, and oxygen have a lone pair of electron like this. Okay. So here we get a hydrogen bond. Okay. So hydrogen bond will look something like this: F(C2H5), and here we will have oxygen, and here we will have hydrogen. Okay. And here we will have C2H5, then oxygen, and then here we will have hydrogen. Okay. So as here we got a hydrogen bonding, so hydrogen bonding will look something like this. Okay, like this. Okay. So now as here we have hydrogen bonding, so this means that the molecule of C2H5OH, that is called ethanol, are associated. Okay, associated due to H bonding, that is called hydrogen bonding. Okay. So this means that molecules are associated, so we will require a more heat. Okay. So that is why the boiling point of ethanol is higher. Okay. And as here we don't have any electronegative element which will have a lone pair of electron, so that is why no H bonding is possible. Okay, no H bonding is possible. Okay, so this means that the boiling point of ethane is less than that of ethanol. Okay, so this means that our C option is also incorrect. Now in a D option we have given ethyne is a non-linear molecule. Okay, so if we draw a ethyne over here, so here we have C triple bond C, then H, then H. Okay, so now as here we can see that this molecule is a linear molecule. Okay, so here this molecule is a linear molecule. Okay, so this means that our D option is also incorrect. Okay, so the correct option to this question, that is the statement which are incorrect or not correct, are option A, then option C, and then option D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.